Are you in the right environment? Kasalukuyan pong nasa Tagaytay po ako. At pag nasa Tagaytay, unang pumapasok sa ating isipan ay malamig. At totoo po, malamig po dito ngayon. Katulad din po yan ng Baguio, malamig din. And one of the things that you will immediately notice in cold places are pine trees. Isa sa mga nilulook forward ko sa malamig ay makakita ng pine trees at makaamoy ng pine trees. And being in a cold place helps me pray, helps me think, helps me recollect my life. Dito sa Pinas, hindi natin nakikita ang pine tree sa city kasi mainit. Kasi hindi akma ang environment for that pine tree to grow and thrive in the city. So dito lang sa medyo matataas na lugar at malalamig. A pine tree requires a right environment. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, nasa tamang environment ka ba? Are you still growing where you are at right now? Malaking factor po yung environment. An environment could mean the people that surround you. It could also mean if it's polluted. And emotionally also, it could mean baka nasa isang toxic environment ka at talagang nagkakasakit ka na dahil sa work environment mo o sa klaseng trabaho na meron ka. If you feel like a lot of things are compromised in you, like your mental health, emotional and physical health, baka you want to rethink your environment. You might want to pray how you can be a catalyst of change in that environment. Pwede manggagaling ang pagbabago sa'yo. Pero may mga instances din when it compromise much of your well-being na ikaw yung aalis din for the sake of your family and for the sake of your own self. Pansin ko rin sa gospel si Kristo pag nagdadasal, umaakit siya ng bundok. He finds the right environment to speak to his Father. At ganun din, when he does his ministry, he goes where the people are. Kung saan siya ay makakapag-preach, kung saan siya ay gagawa ng mga healing at milagro. So like Christ, consider your environment. Saan ka ba pinapadala ni Lord? Ano ba ang makakabuti din para sa iyo at para sa iyong pamilya? Isama mo sa discernment mo, am I still in the right environment? Are you in your comfort zone? Alam mo, may narinig po akong isang speaker nagsabi, you have to get out of your comfort zone and enter your growth zone. But after a while, that growth zone becomes your new comfort zone. You might be the type that needs a higher challenge in order to grow. Meron din ako narinig na you cannot have healing in a place where you got sick. So maganda din to change your environment for a renewed perspective, for recuperation, and for healing. My prayer is that you find the environment that allows you to become closer to God and closer to the mission that He has set for you.